Good evening, guys. 9:30. Low tide is 11:24 in the evening. By the way, guys, it's been almost a week that I don't feel like metal detecting. Seems like I don't have an interest anymore to go. So today we will try if this hunt is interesting. We will see. First signal. Overloading. I think it's in the scoop. Alright. Yeah, this is 5 peso brass coin. First signal. Nice start. It's around 10 minutes before I get my first signal. This area has been hunted a lot. A low tone, like 42, 44. Let's see, what is this? Oh, all right, guys. Woo. It's heart pumping actually, guys. I think this hunt is exciting. This is actually an earring. I don't know what is the stones. I think this is just plastic. I don't think this is gold. This could be a gold plated copper. At least it makes me excited. That is more important in metal detecting. Right, let's find some more. Overloading signal. I hope this is not a battle top. Up to 80s, but I don't hear any iron mix signal. Oh, 82. How come? It's 1 peso iron coin at 82. Or maybe there's another metal down there. Let's check. Nothing. What happened? Oh, there's another one. Yeah, this is it. 40s, 70s, 80s. What is this? Maybe it's a battle top. Oh, another iron. Huh. What happened to my vortex? I just reset it because it's noisy. So the iron coin sounds like a battle top. That's okay because battle top is a tricky iron. So maybe because the iron is rusty, maybe that's it. A solid 65. Usually this is 10 peso coin. sometimes an aluminum bottle cap, but this is also 14 karat fat gold. Oh, oh, we found a ring, guys. Yay, 65. Alright, it's a nice ring, but maybe made of copper. But at least we're finding jewelries. Nice. Iron. Let's see if this is iron coin. Oh, I can see it. It's coin. Right. It's worth digging. 1 peso. Oh, there's more. Another coin. Alright, third coin. Alright, that is a deep coin. At first, it does not have an ID, a faint signal. It's 5 peso coin. Iron. Maybe a coin. Yeah, 5 peso iron coin. Nice. I think it was a ring. I saw it. Yeah, there it is. Is this a ring? No, it's not a ring, guys. It's like a pendant. I think this is just copper, but that's good. We're finding jewelries. Ha! Oh, together with this, yes, 52. This is copper nickel. Oh, this old coin. This is 50 centavos from, I think, 1980s with eagle. Alright, iron coin plus 10 peso brass. 10 peso coin. 61. Oh, another earring, guys, and it's golden. A golden earring. Alright, I think it's just gold plated, but at least we're finding jewelries. Solid 68. Oh, it's a 5. Nice. Alright, guys, we found another earring. Yeah, and it has a pearl. Let's check if the pearl is real. Oh, the pearl is fake, and I think this is just copper. Right. 45.52. I hope this is something good now. Been here for I think 3 hours. Oh. Alright guys. Right. I think this is something good. A pearl earring. The pearl is fake, so I don't think this is something good. Just nice earring. 61, 62. I think this is aluminum can. And it is deep, so this could be big. Really deep. Yeah, I think I'm right. Oh, it's a glass, and this is the one. What is this? This could be a part of a camera. Alright, at least we got this sharp glass. Surface fine guys. My detector cannot detect this, but it looks nice. It's a small chain with some like stones. I don't know what is this, but I hope this is something good. Alright, shiny. Alright, 5 peso with a pull tab. Ha ha ha. 2:54 in the morning. I supposed to go home 1:30. I plan to hunt for 4 hours only, but it's already more than 5 hours. We did not find gold, so let's try the dry sand first while going home. For the wrap up guys, the usual trash with this broken glass. For the coins, I think it's 77.50 pesos, and this foreign coin. For the jewelries, this is the first earring that I found. It's just I think gold plated brass with some looks like stones, but it's just plastic. Also an earring, copper ring, fake pearl earring. Also fake pearl earring. This one I'm not sure. Maybe a charm from a bracelet. This one I don't know what is this. And this one, this is surface fine chain with some sort of, I don't know whether this maybe like a stones or glass, but the metal, I tested it and it's actually positive to my 10 karat tester, but I'm not sure about it. It's not brass or copper. These are all we found in 6 hours. I did not find anything on the dry sand, maybe only 1 or 2 coins, but my GoPro battery was dead. I recorded around 100 clips for about 90 minutes in total. So I just deleted most of the clips, especially the trash and not interesting finds. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe and see you on the next one.